My dear students, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. In continuation to the asexual types of propagation, one of the important types is the fragmentation. Fragmentation is the asexual method found in variety of plants and animals. It has been derived from fragment. Fragment means the body part. Whenever the body parts are cut into more or more than two pieces, and each piece can develop into a complete organism, this type of asexual propagation is called as fragmentation. In this propagation, the parental body breaks into two or more fragments. The two or more fragments occur in the parental body either by wave action. How does it take place? Either by wave action, this is the accidental breakage. Wave action takes place in the water. That is why the fragmentation occurs mostly in those animals which are marine. For example, sponges, what we call as the porifera. Or by death. Fragmentation can also take place by death and due to decay of old parts. Due to death and decay of the old parts, each body fragment develops into an organism. It is also found in some flatworms. Flatworms belong to the phylum Platyhelminthes under the broad category of Helminthes, such as Microcytomum. Microcytomum is an example how the fragmentation takes place. It occurs sea anemones also, among coelentrates and echinoderms. In starfishes, even one arm with a part of central disc can develop into whole animal. Starfishes, if one arm breaks down, this one arm can break down accidentally or by the natural means, and it can develop into a complete organism. But whenever it contains a part of the central disc, this is the central disc in the starfish. There are some advantages in the fragmentation. What advantages we find in this kind of reproduction? Firstly, there is no need of sexual partner. No need of sexual partner in the fragmentation process. Rapid rate of reproduction. But there are some disadvantages. No chance of new combinations of genes and variations. New combinations of genes and variations does not take place in fragmentation because it is a general significance of feature of asexual propagation in which no variations can be found. Same is the case in fragmentation where no variations can be found because no new genetic combination takes place. So individuals may not be able to adapt to changing environments. Whenever there are no variations, variations are sometimes favorable as they help the organism in adapting into the changing environmental conditions, but there are no such adaptations in these individuals. It generally leads to overcrowding and struggle for existence. This fragmentation leads to overcrowding, and also it can lead to struggle for existence. This is the disadvantage of fragmentation. But so far the plants are concerned, we usually found in higher plants or in lower plants where the fragmentation takes place. For example, we find in algae where the algae break down into two or more parts. Each part can develop into a complete organism and develop into colony of fresh in water. In higher plants also, in gymnosperms and angiosperms, we find the fragmentation in poplars. That may also be called as cutting and or fragmentation, poplars and willows. Next method of or way of asexual propagation is the formation of zoospores. Zoospores. This is also one of the methods of asexual propagation. This can be found in the fungi as well as algae, mycophyta and bryophyta. Members of kingdom of fungi and algae reproduce through special asexual reproductive structures. These asexual structures are called as zoospores. But how these zoospores are formed? How these zoospores are forward. These are first of all flagellated. These zoospores are flagellated. They are also motile. They are also naked protoplasmic bodies. These zoospores are produced in a case. That case is called as zoosporangium. That case is called zoosporangium. Zoospores may be biflagellate, having two flagella. For example, chlamydomonas. That can be quadriflagellate or multiflagellate, having four flagella or more flagella. For example, Oedogonium. They can be uninucleate. For example, Urothrix, one nucleus, or multinucleate called synzoospores that can be found in Vacheria, that is a fungi. This is how the zoospore are formed in the different animals, how they help to propagate. Whenever we see the zoospore formation in an alga, that can be viewed as these are the zoospores which have the flagella in them, and they escape by breaking the wall. Whenever they break the wall, each zoospore develops into a complete organism. This is all about the two asexual propagation methods, fragmentation and zoospore formation. That's all for today.